Alright guys, Georgia Jim. Got a Titan T250 here. This is a 6-pin dimple lock with 5 wafer springless sliders. I got this from a Monitor Darkly, so big thanks to him for getting it to me. Alright. One's binding. Small click on 1. Good click on 2. 3, 4's binding. We're going to drop a lot of tension just to try to get this up here. This is a high lift. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going back to 6. Tap 2 back up. There's only 2 spools in this lock, which makes it sound pretty easy, but they're actually like T-pin spools, and they are actually a pain in the ass. I felt a little bit of core movement there. Let's go back, check 1, 2, 3. Alright, we got a false set. 2, 3. It's easy to get lost in here too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's check our sliders. We'll use a number 10 flag for that. And probably a half diamond as well. Let's start with a half diamond. I'm gonna get back here to this last one. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's see. Let's nudge this one over. Oh, wrong flag. Alright, I've had a little bit of core movement there. Let's double check our top pins. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I think we got that. These sliders sit right on top of right under the key pins, and they're springless. There we go. And they're a pain in the ass. Alright, well, let's get this gutted. There we go. And I have not gutted this yet. Make sure this tripod's not going to fall over, as it does. Alright, let's lock it back up. Should be able to get that with a regular clip. Yeah. All right. I'm going to shim it just to cover my bases. And let's find a follower. This should work, I think. I'm going to, yeah, here's the slider carriage on the bottom. Alright. We got 2 key control pins, I believe. I guess these don't come out. Okay. Let's do key pins. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, here's our sidebar. You can see he's got this weird little cross on it where it sits in that notch. Let's grab our springs. We don't want to lose these. And these love to go flying in general. I haven't gutted this one yet, so. Alright, let's see. That just slides out. Whoa, alright. See the cores milled out for this little carriage that holds the sliders. And I'm just going to hold up one of them. That way, there we go. You see they don't have a false gate or anything. They're just have to be slid to the right spot. Oops. I don't even know where that one just went. I know, there it is. Just gonna set that one there. All right, let's get these drivers out before I shoot something across the room. Alright, we got a standard in 1, standard in 2. These spooled T-pins, if I can get this to... There you go. Those are nasty little spools. You wouldn't think a lock with 2 spools would be that difficult, but you'd be wrong. Alright, got another standard on 5. Move this little slider back over there. Oops. See, there. There it is. Alright. So you can see the sidebar channel in the bottom and on the 90 and 0. Alright. Hell, I might as well pull them out. They'd be alright. Let's see. So that's 4, 5. 2, 1. All right. There we go. That's the Titan T250. This is 2 spools, 5 false gateless sliders, and 4 standards. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.